Alright boys, we're all filled up. Let's go ahead and start this journey. Gracias. As good as it gets, boys. Back roads, nice to get a little warm up in before you hit the highway. Hey, motherfucker, let's go! Well, these freaking kids, these teenagers, these hooligans, they left without me. They already started going up the mountain, so we're going solo. It's just me, my 450, and the mountain. Sometimes a solo ride is the best ride. I hope I see these fools though. It's my boy Victor, who got a new bike. I think it's a THROTTLE, and my other boy Santiago. He picked himself up a sweet CRF450R big wheel. We're gonna go all the way up the mountain today. It's gonna be beautiful. You're gonna see some great views, and we're gonna have so much fun. I'm gonna have so much fun riding these roads. A whole bunch of switchbacks and long uphills and downhills. That's a sweet buggy right there. I would definitely love something like that. Screw your modern furniture, dude. I'm all about that natural. It's our friends again. See what kind of mood they're in today. That'd be chillin'. Oh. I tell you one thing, they ain't gonna catch me on this motherfucking mountain. This is when this bike needs a fan. Wow, we got one hell of a clear day today though. Damn, son, we're gonna have some good views. Uh-oh, this is what it is. Damn, they got too drunk. Well, it should clear up now. yeah. Take a good look at that, everybody. Woo! I'm gonna try to send the drone up down here later. What? That place is crazy. I never noticed it. There we go. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. Gotta give these people what they want, boy. They want some one-handers? One-handers? Oh! Open motherfucking roads! Yeah! Is that slow enough for you? Yes, sir. Wow. Yeah, I like that. So if you go down there, it's Las Adjuntas Dam. I think they closed it. I don't know why. But yeah, that's pretty cool down there. There's a river. You can get like elotes and clamatos and that good stuff. And a lot of people hang out there on the weekends. But yeah, man, this is why you come up here. Look at these fucking views. Wow. Wonder if we might get a little shower. Alright, see if we can get some first gear wheelies. There we go, there we go! Oh, that was dirty! That was dirty! Damn, it's so nice right here. Alright, I might come back and do the drone here actually. If we just keep on climbing. It gets really fresh up here at the top. There's a lot more trees and just the air is so cool. It feels amazing. You know we rocking that Hawaiian shirt today. Supermoto Josh style. Excuse me, Josh Don't Stop. He got that new Instagram account. Check that man's out. This fool trying to give me the smoke right now. Brake check my ass? You trying to brake check me, fool? Get the fuck out of my way. Look at these idiots. They got stuck in the razor. Come on, dog. Quit playing yourself. Man, the sky is just so blue today. Wow. road right here, dude. Ah, it's so skitty. And if you go off, you're dead. This is one of the best views right here. Look at that. Mountains for miles, man. It just keeps going and going. Where I stop for my beers, usually right here. Oh, we're just gonna grab a couple today, taking it easy. Ooh, get up there. Alright, we are almost at the Sierra at the top. Was good! ¿Qué onda?
¿Y eso que subiste solo?
Yeah, sí.
¿Vienes solo?
Gracias, bro. Salud! It is, right? Hey. Alright, we got the boys now. Squad! Yeah! Holy shit! I've actually never been down here before. Alright, we going off-road a little. We're testing the dual sport capabilities of these Shinko 705s. And enjoying some dope views while we're at it. Should we do it? Fuck it. Yeah! Yeah! You better like this video right now. It's gonna get super sick. Oh my god. This is incredible. Wow, that was amazing, dude. I've never been to that canyon before, but now we're going to the top of the mountain like I was saying. Wow. If you guys could only see this like I see it right now. Damn, it's like Jurassic Park in this bitch. Bye. Alright, we rolling now. We had a ton of fun. Woo! Man, this is awesome. He just got this new bike, so I know he's feeling it. He's having a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun riding with some other guys. You don't know. If you're bike life, you know. It's all about being with your boys, having a good ride. Oh yeah, it's about as good as it gets, boys. Yeah, that's good. You know we had to take the off-road route. Duh. We on the dirt bike. Oh yeah, what a great night. On the way home, I don't know if it's recording, but thank you all for watching. Hopefully see you in another video real soon. Peace, much love. Salud. Check it out. We've got the floor all finished up. Just gotta water it later. Take these boards off tomorrow and it'll be dry. Looks super, super good. They did an amazing job. Look at how smooth that is, dude. My cart is gonna just glide across that floor. And they gave me the leftover concrete. They just put it right here. Made me a little nice entrance for my shop. So hell yeah, man. Stoked.